Hello and welcome to the Texas Department of Public Safety Driver License Division. This video will show you how to replace your driver license or identification card online. If you have lost your driver license or identification card, or it was stolen or destroyed, you must visit your local driver license office. In order to replace your card online, you must have your Texas license or ID card in your possession or the audit number from the card. You will also need a printer to print your temporary card, a credit card, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. From the DPS homepage, click on Driver License. In the How Can We Help box, select Replace Your DL or ID from the drop-down menu. The How to Replace Your Driver License, Commercial Driver License, or ID card page will display. You will need your card or have the audit number from the card in order to replace your card online. If you are able to provide the audit number, please proceed by clicking Online Card Replacement. You will be taken to a new web page for texas.gov. Please read the information carefully before clicking the Continue button at the bottom. In order to log in and replace your license, you will be required to enter your driver license or identification number, your date of birth, the audit number from your DL or ID, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. If you do not have this information, you will not be able to log in and will need to visit a driver license office in order to proceed. Once you've entered your information, you will click Log In. Next, you will select the type of service. When replacing your license, you also have the ability to change your address if necessary. Click on Replacement or Change Address Only. The Select Service page will display. Verify your selections, and when you are ready, click on Continue. The Home Address page will display. If you need to change your address, enter the required information into the fields. If your address is the same, then no changes are necessary. Click Continue to proceed. On the Select Options page, read each option carefully. Check the box if you wish to be an organ donor. If you would like to make a donation to the Glenda Dawson Donate Live Texas Registry, enter a dollar amount. Next, select Yes or No if you would like to request a voter application. Finally, at the bottom, you are required to affirm that you agree to the information displayed. When ready, click Continue. Next, you will review your information, the selected services, optional donations, and other options you selected, as well as verify if you entered your home address correctly. You may edit any information if necessary by selecting the Edit button. When ready, click Continue. The Submit Payment page will display. You will need to enter your payment information as it reads on your card. In addition, enter your billing address associated with the credit card. Review the information you have entered, and then click Submit Payment. A temporary card will display. Print the card along with your payment receipt. Carry the receipt with you until your new card is delivered to you. You will receive your replacement card in the mail in 4 to 6 weeks. Thank you for watching. The Driver License Division is committed to creating a faster, easier, friendlier driver license experience and a safer Texas.